trout yet. None. That's alright. We're just trolling, eating some pepperoni. Good start to the morning, gotta have some pepperoni. It was raining hard. We got a long day ahead of us, so hopefully we'll hook onto some fish.
So,
Mr. Randy Travis himself, eating the old pepperoni. Got a fish on. Nice little trouter. Not bad. First Nova Scotia trout of the year. Well, I think we might have found a pattern for these trout. I just lost another one. Both of them bit on a deep rocky shore. So I think that's what we're going to be fishing. As you can tell, the bugs are really bad. Don't have any bug spray. But so far, after that heavy rain, day's going pretty good. Trout in the boat. Randy just got a little perch. Those are no good to us. Pre-fishing yesterday, that was bad. 30-degree weather, one perch. Yeah, I caught nothing but a sunburn. And then today it's what, 10 degrees and raining. Got a little fish.
that's not bad. That's number 2 for today. Good bait catch. Second trout. And just caught him along the rocks just like everything else. I was pre-fishing yesterday. There he is. There he is. That's nice. Oh! Beautiful fish. Nice fish.
Randy Travis got one on. Oh, yes, sir.
Good, baby. Woo! That's how she's done. Well, he wasn't dropping that fast. He swallowed that big pool.
That's a nice little trouter, Randy. I told you we had to break the curse. You had to get one today. That's it. That's her. That's trout number 3. It isn't the best, but it's better than the other 3 years we've been up here fishing. Colton, sucks that you couldn't come, brother. We're thinking about you. We're catching some fish for you. Here. Randy just hooked up that little tiny trout.
Oh, there you go. There's fucking baby trout being born in here.
He swears like a sailor. It's only because he is actually a sailor. Coming from a lobster fishing family. Just like that. Another cast right after that one that he caught. That little 13-incher. 12-incher, I guess. Damn, he hooked on another one.
Put my rod up to go badger boat. There she was.
Well, that's it for us today. 3 fish. We're going to steam back the truck, put the boat on the truck, head down, weigh in our fish. It's going to be a choppy ride back. The wind has picked up. We're just hiding behind a little island here.
What do you know? It's that point. You be golden.
That concludes our Sheet Harbor trout tournament. 3 fish on board. Nothing real big by any means, but nonetheless, still some trout. Randy's trout. Got my small trout. And then we got the big trout. Well, that concludes my 3-day trip down to Nova Scotia. First day spent on Shorts Lake, which was Thursday. Caught some nice, well, not very big bass, but they were fun to catch. Caught them on a wacky rig, and caught 4 pickerel, I think it was, 4 or 5 pickerel. Poured on us, absolutely poured on us. This morning, that was bad. Caught fish, we had a wonderful time. And thanks Randy and Bree for your guys' hospitality, for hosting me for the last 2 nights. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and remember, live life cast by cast.